Here at this house, and I do this guy's house often now. He's got a one-story house, and now I got the gutter whitening I gotta do for next time. But I used the pure water on this the last time, this time around, but the last time I had did it traditionally with just a regular soap and a regular squeegee. And this time I used that water fed. He said there's water all over the window. So I explained to him, and then I was packing my stuff up. He came out and said, "Marcus, could you squeegee the window? There's water all over the window." And I said, "Remember what I told you, that this is pure water, it's not going to spot?" And he said, "Well, it don't look good. I'm looking on the outside, and you see this is something on the glass." I said, "That's in between the window." I said, "Trust me, if I clean that water off, it's not going to look any different. I've been cleaning windows long enough." And he started smiling. He paid me anyway, but I said, to make you feel better, I'm going to sit here and wait about a half an hour for that water to dry, and I'm going to prove to you, anything that doesn't look good, I'll do over again. You don't have to do anything or pay me anything. Trust me, I'm not going to leave you hanging. I don't work like that. So let's walk around so we can see. I'll show you that the windows is almost dry. And after I show you this, we'll jump right into the video footage. And some good music as always. I don't know what I'm going to play behind it, but needless to say, it's always going to be something different. All right. Y'all probably can't see, but the water is almost dry. And there is no runs or streaks or smears, so. All right, let's jump right into the video. Before we jump into the video, I wanted to say the reason why I switched up all of a sudden is because I got tired of the squeegee leaving ash marks, because he has that milk paint. That's what Johnny calls it, milk paint, Johnny Kimmel. It's when that paneling has that white powdery substance, and no matter how many times you clean it, it just pours out milk. All right. Now I have Sorbo's S arms, so it kind of like kept the frames from getting dry, but because I'm using water, I figure, and if I squeegee, when I make my next pull, I won't leave that line down there from when the rubber touches dry glass. This is what happens when you use that squeegee, the Wagtail, or any squeegee, and you have that milk paint. Soon as you close off, that paint, that ash gets all over the rubber, so you will literally have to do side pulls and wipe the blade each time. And even then, that's not a guarantee. So rather than play around with that, I said, well, there's always a better and faster way. So if you had a brush, you would literally have to scrub the heck out of all the frames, then go back and do the glass, which is actually going to take too long. So the idea with this traditional way and water-fed reverse osmosis power pivot is that you get to squeegee it, but that water will never ever let that powdery milk ash touch the rubber, if this makes sense. It's kind of hard for me to explain, but the results was just like I thought. So let's take a look at the video.